That fast vibration you feel at 110 psi isn't speed. It's actually energy leaving your bike, known as the impedance breakpoint. The max PSI on your sidewall is a safety limit, not a performance target. In 2026, riding modern 30 tires at 100 psi isn't just uncomfortable. It is measurably slower than running them at 60 psi. This chart explains why. The U-shaped curve tracks rolling resistance. On the left, resistance drops as you add air, reducing casing deformation. But past the impedance breakpoint, the line shoots up as the bike begins bouncing over micro-imperfections. Vibrational loss kills momentum. When your bike chatters over chip seal, you are lifting the rider's total mass thousands of times per mile. This converts your forward power into vertical waste, slowing you down significantly. Surface roughness dictates your limit. This data compares watt losses on smooth tarmac versus worn pavement. Notice how the optimal pressure bar drops by nearly 15 psi as the surface degrades from fresh blacktop to coarse chip seal. We must also respect the asymmetry of risk. Being 5 psi too low costs you about 1 watt in friction. However, being 5 psi too high triggers impedance losses, costing you 5 to 10 watts. It is mathematically safer to be too soft. Stop using the thumb test. Use the Silka Professional Pressure Calculator to find your specific number based on system weight. Then verify with a high-accuracy digital gauge to ensure you hit that narrow optimal window. Use this decision tree for setup changes. If you switch to wider 32 tires, you must drop pressure. If you are riding hookless rims, you are capped at 73 psi regardless, which fortunately aligns with the fastest pressures for most modern riders. The science is clear, comfort is speed. If your teeth are rattling on a descent, you are bleeding watts. Let a little air out, find the break point and roll faster. When in doubt, let air out, softer is faster.